Hi there. Welcome to part 6 of Real English for A2 learners. I'm Nina, and today we'll practice real conversations for shopping, home life, and everyday errands. You'll hear natural dialogues for buying clothes, grocery shopping, returning items, talking to landlords, doing laundry, and handling small home tasks. All spoken slowly and clearly with a natural American accent. These phrases will help you feel confident whether you're in a store, your apartment, or running errands around town. Listen, repeat, and learn with me, one real situation at a time. Let's begin. Buying clothes and shoes. I'm looking for a pair of jeans that aren't too tight around the waist. Do you have any in a relaxed fit? Yes, we have these in a straight leg style with extra room in the waist. They're very comfortable for everyday wear. Do you have this shirt in a larger size? The medium feels a bit snug around the shoulders. Let me check the back. Yes, we have a large and an extra large in stock. Is this jacket waterproof? I need something for rainy days. It's water resistant, not fully waterproof, but it'll keep you dry in light rain. Can I try these shoes on? I'm usually a size 8, but brands vary. Of course. The fitting rooms are right over there, and we have socks if you need them. Do you offer student discounts? I just started college, and I'm on a tight budget. Yes, students get 10% off with a valid ID. Just show it at checkout. I like this dress, but the color is too bright for me. Do you have it in navy or black? Yes, both colors are available online, and we can order them to the store for free. Is this sweater made of real wool? I get itchy with synthetic fabrics. It's 100% merino wool. Soft and breathable, and it won't irritate your skin. Can I return this if it doesn't fit after I wash it? As long as you keep the tags on and bring your receipt, you can return or exchange it within 30 days. Do you have gift cards? I want to buy something for my friend's birthday. Yes, you can choose any amount from $10 to $200. We'll email it or print it for you. I'm looking for something professional but not too formal. Do you have blazers that are comfortable for all-day wear? Yes, these are made with stretch fabric. They look sharp but feel like a soft jacket. Grocery shopping. Where can I find the gluten-free bread? My sister has celiac disease. It's in aisle 4 next to the organic section. Look for the green GF label on the shelf. Do you have almond milk? I'm lactose intolerant and can't drink regular milk. Yes, it's in the dairy aisle, right next to the oat and soy milk options. Is this yogurt sugar-free? I'm trying to cut down on added sugar. Yes, this one says no added sugar, and is sweetened only with fruit. Can you tell me if this cheese is vegetarian? I don't eat animal rennet. Yes, it's made with microbial enzymes. It's fully vegetarian and labeled as such. Where's the bread aisle? I'm in a hurry and just need something for breakfast. It's aisle 3, right next to the dairy section. They restocked fresh rolls this morning. Do you sell reusable shopping bags? I keep forgetting mine at home. Yes, they're by the registers, $1 each, and they hold a lot more than plastic. Is this fruit organic? It looks really fresh. Yes, all the produce with the green sticker is certified organic. I'm looking for quinoa. Do you carry it in the bulk section or with the rice? It's in aisle 7 with the grains and legumes in both bulk and packaged options. Do you have small shopping carts? The big ones are hard to push through narrow aisles. Yes, the compact ones are near the entrance next to the baskets. I forgot my shopping list. Can you help me remember what's usually on it? Sure. You usually buy oat milk, bananas, eggs, whole wheat bread, and that dark chocolate. Laundry and cleaning. Do you have laundry detergent that's gentle on sensitive skin? Yes, this one is fragrance-free and dermatologist tested. It's right here on the bottom shelf. Is the washing machine available? Or is it in use? It's free now, but the timer shows someone booked it for 3 p.m. You have about 45 minutes. Can I use fabric softener with this detergent? Or will it cause a reaction? This detergent is fine with softener, but if you have very sensitive skin, try using vinegar instead. Where do I put the coins for the dryer? Just slide them into the slot on the right. It takes quarters only. Do you sell laundry bags? I need something to carry my clothes home. Yes, they're by the vending machine. $2 for a sturdy mesh bag. Is there a place to fold my clothes after they're dry? Yes, there's a folding table in the corner with plenty of space. My clothes came out with stains. Could it be from the machine? It might be from leftover detergent. Try running an empty cycle with vinegar to clean it. Do you have dryer sheets that are unscented? Yes, they're right next to the scented ones. Look for the white packaging. How long does a wash cycle usually take? About 35 to 45 minutes, depending on the load size and water temperature. Can I leave my basket here while I run to the store next door? Sure, just don't leave it unattended for more than 15 minutes. We clear baskets after that. Talking to landlords and neighbors. Hi, I just moved in last week. Where do I put my recycling? The blue bins are behind the building, next to the mailboxes. Paper, plastic, and cans go in separate sections. My neighbor plays loud music every night after 10 p.m. Is there a quiet hours policy? Yes, quiet hours are from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. I'll speak to them or send a notice if it continues. Do you offer parking spots for tenants? I just got a car and don't want to park on the street. Yes, there are assigned spots in the back lot. It's $30 a month, and you'll get a permit sticker. I'm expecting a package tomorrow. Can the delivery person leave it at the front desk? Yes, we hold packages for 48 hours. Just make sure your name is on the label. Is there a laundry room in the building? I don't have a washer in my unit. Yes, it's on the ground floor. Open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m., and you'll need a laundry card from the office. The elevator was stuck this morning. Has it been fixed? Yes, the technician came at noon and replaced the button panel. It's working smoothly now. Can I paint my walls? I'd like to add a little color to my apartment. You can, but it has to be a neutral shade like beige or light gray. And you'll need to repaint before you move out. Do you know if the Wi-Fi in the building is included in the rent? No, you'll need to set up your own internet. But we have a list of recommended providers. I saw a leak under my kitchen sink. Should I call a plumber or report it to you? Please report it to me first. We have a maintenance team that handles all repairs. Is it okay if my friend stays over for a few nights? Yes, as long as it's not more than 10 days in a row. Just let me know in advance. Post office and mail. I need to send this package to Germany. How long does international shipping take? Standard shipping takes 7 to 10 business days, but express is 3 to 5 days if you need it faster. Can I track this package after I send it? It's a birthday gift, so I want to make sure it arrives. Yes, you'll get a tracking number on your receipt. You can check it online or through our app. Do you sell stamps here? I just need a few for regular letters. Yes, we have individual stamps and booklets of 20. They're by the counter. I moved last month and still get mail at my old address. Can I set up mail forwarding? Yes, we offer forwarding for up to 12 months. Just fill out this form and show your ID. Is this envelope okay for sending documents abroad? It's a contract, so I want it to stay flat. Yes, this one is padded and moisture resistant. We also have rigid mailers if you need extra protection. How much does it cost to send a small package to Canada? For under 500 grams, it's $12.50 with standard shipping. Would you like insurance for $2 more? Can I pick up my neighbor's package if they're not home? Only if they've given us written permission. Otherwise, they'll need to come themselves. Do you have boxes I can use, or should I bring my own? We have free small and medium boxes, just ask at the counter. I forgot to put a return address on my letter. Will it still be delivered? It will, but if it can't be delivered, it won't come back to you. Always include a return address. Is there a drop box outside where I can leave outgoing mail? Yes, it's right by the front door. Pickups are at 4 p.m. every weekday. Hardware stores and home repairs. I need a new light bulb for my kitchen. It's a ceiling fixture with a round base. That sounds like an A19 bulb with an E26 base. We have LED ones that last 10 years. Do you sell smoke detector batteries? Mine started beeping last night. Yes, it's probably a 9-volt battery. They're in aisle 2, next to the flashlights. Can you help me find a drill bit for ceramic tile? I'm putting up a shelf in the bathroom. Sure. You'll need a carbide-tipped bit. They're in the orange package right here. Is this ladder tall enough to reach my second-floor windows? It extends to 12 feet, which should be enough. Just make sure someone holds the base. Do you have a tool to unclog a sink? My bathroom drain is really slow. Yes, this hand crank auger works great for sinks. It's $15 and reusable. I need to fix a loose doorknob. What kind of screwdriver should I use? Most doorknobs use a Phillips head. Try this medium-sized one from the toolkit. Can I return this paint if I bought the wrong color? Yes, as long as it's unopened and you have your receipt. We'll even help you mix a new one. Do you offer advice on small home repairs? Or do I need to hire someone? Our staff can help with basic fixes. For plumbing or electrical, we recommend a licensed pro. Is this extension cord safe to use outdoors? Only if it says outdoor use on the label. This one is rated for both indoor and outdoor. I'm looking for a quiet fan for my bedroom. Do you have any that are extra quiet? Yes, these are labeled Whisper Quiet. They're perfect for bedrooms and offices. Returning items and customer service. I bought this jacket last week, but the zipper broke after 2 days. Can I return it? Yes, if you have your receipt, we can exchange it or give you a full refund. Do I need the original box to return these shoes? Not necessarily, just bring the shoes and the receipt, and make sure they're unworn. I ordered online but want to return it in store. Is that possible? Yes, just bring your order confirmation and the item. We'll process it right here. The color looks different in person than it did on my screen. Can I exchange it? Of course. As long as it's in new condition, we'll swap it for the right shade. I lost my receipt. Can I still return something? If you paid by card, we can look up your purchase. Just bring the same card you used. Is there a restocking fee for electronics returns? Only if the item is opened. For unopened items, returns are free within 14 days. Can I get a rain check if something is out of stock? Yes, we'll hold it for you when it comes back in. Just ask at customer service. I bought the wrong size. Can I exchange it for a larger one today? Absolutely. We have it in stock, so I'll get it for you right now. Do you accept returns on sale items? Yes, sale items can be returned within 30 days with a receipt. No exceptions. I'm not happy with this product. It doesn't work as advertised. I'm sorry to hear that. We'll either replace it, refund you, or help you find something better. Local shops and neighborhood errands. Do you have this book in stock, or can you order it for me? We don't have it right now, but I can order it and have it here in 2 to 3 days. No extra charge. Is there a tailor nearby who can shorten these pants? Yes, Quick Stitch is 2 blocks down. They do hems while you wait for $10. Can I pay with card here? Or is it cash only? We accept all major cards and mobile payments, no minimum purchase. Do you offer gift wrapping? It's a birthday present. Yes, it's free with any purchase. We have several paper options to choose from. Is this plant safe for cats? I have 2 at home. No, this one is toxic to cats. But that one over there is completely safe. Do you know where the nearest pharmacy is? I need to pick up a prescription. Yes, it's next to the bank on Main Street. They're open until 9 p.m. Can I reserve this item and pick it up later today? Sure. I'll hold it behind the counter for you until 7 p.m. Do you have a loyalty program? I shop here often. Yes, it's free to join. You get a point for every $1, and 100 points equals $10 off. Is there a public restroom I can use? Yes, it's in the back, past the coffee bar. Just ask if the door is locked. I'm looking for a birthday card for my mom. Something sweet but not too fancy. These over here are perfect. Simple, heartfelt, and they come with envelopes. Great job. You just practiced 80 real English phrases for shopping, home life, and daily errands. Whether you're buying clothes in Berlin, doing laundry in Toronto, talking to your landlord in Sydney, or mailing a package in Stockholm, these conversations will help you handle everyday tasks with confidence. If you found this helpful, subscribe for part 7. We'll explore dining out, cafes, and social eating in English. And don't forget to watch parts 1 through 5 if you haven't yet. Thanks for learning with me. I'm Nina, and I'll see you in the next real conversation.